Hats off to all my friends. Today in this video I am going to show you one of my social media friends have sent me for mobile to restore. Let's don't waste our time. Instead go for a walk. Thank you. Here you can see my name and my postal code. It's 734201 Coke Darjeeling. If your phone is damaged, you can also send me in this postal code to get your damage repair in affordable price. For more information regarding your handset, you can also WhatsApp me in my WhatsApp number. I am providing my WhatsApp number in this video.